So I had posted this story on my Insta whether you guys want me to do this review, and I think 100% of you voted as yes. So this is the most wanted review ever. So let me just quickly do it, because why I'm posting it here, because a lot of influencers and public figures, makeup artists, a lot of people are posting about this. Let's just quickly get into the video.
So this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a glass kind of bottle, very delicate to handle. Not very delicate, but yeah, not very sturdy either.
So this is Estee Lauder. This is Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Recovery Complex, and then it's written in French, and it says you need to apply on clean skin before your moisturizer, and this is made in USA. So I got this from USA. My friend was traveling there, and I ordered it from their official website. Why I did not order it from India? Because I was a little apprehensive. A lot of fake Estee Lauders are doing the round, so I just wanted to be double sure. So I went to their official website. I ordered it from there, and then I got it delivered to the place that she was staying. So she got it for me, and then I got a couple of freebies with this from Estee Lauder. With this, there was eye cream, and then there was one Estee Lauder primer. So that's a different story anyway. So I ordered it, and I think it was this is what how many ml is this? This is 50 ml. Okay, so this is the 50 ml. This is, I think, the bigger bottle, and then you get another bigger size here as well. And I got this for, I think, 8,000, I think 9,000 or 10,000. I don't remember the exact price, but I'm gonna mention it with the bill, of course, if you guys want. So I wanted to be double sure, and I wanted an authentic product, and I was like really into getting my skin prepped up. So they say that you should at least start your taking care of your skin and everything in your 20s, so that your skin remains in place and intact and everything. So I was like, chalo, let me get started. Another reason that I bought it was I saw it on an Insta page from a travel vlog. So this person, I don't want to name her, but so she travels the world and with her husband, and then a very famous couple. But then I saw her using this and in her skincare regime, so I was like, yeah, ab ye use kariye, this might not be fake, okay? Because hadn't been a beauty influencer or a regular a social media influencer, I would have still thought that this might be sponsored. But I thought, oh, she's using the same, let me also I think. And then all the influencers was all over the net, so I was like, let me just buy it. I bought it, guys. It did nothing to my skin. I think 10,000 bucks gone down the drain. That's it. I tried using it in a couple of different ways. It did nothing. I think it broke out my skin as well. I don't remember, but yes, it did nothing to my skin. No, so it claims that pigmentation, fine lines, everything would go, but you see my face. I am not a professional makeup artist, so I've just applied some makeup, but this product does nothing. I think it's just complete waste. All the product reviews, I think, that you're seeing all the influencers doing it, you guys, they get money, they get paid for it. So don't fall into this trap. You're gonna regret buying this. I mean, it didn't work for me. If you guys want to try, and go ahead, but I think it was my responsibility to tell you guys, because mere paise ja chuke hain. I don't want you guys to be wasting your money. And then, but you're free to try, and some products work for some people, some products don't, but this did not work for me. So I just thought that this is the best time to pivot forward, because it's again doing the rounds. A lot of other influencers and everyone is posting about this new and improved advanced repair serum. So I thought I'll just let you guys know. If you have any questions, just DM me on Insta, or you can post here, you can like it, you can share it with any other girl who is probably wanting to buy something like this. All this is not just worth it. So I'm giving you an honest review, because why I'm a full-time working professional myself, I buy and my products myself. I don't have any sponsors giving me money for doing these reviews. So these are honest reviews, and let me know if you like it. And yeah, that's it. Bye. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, feel free to share it with your nani, dadi, chachi, mummy, wife, whosoever is planning to buy this. Please don't buy this. That's it.